In this video, we are going to talk about Google Analytic 4, how you can create an account, how you can set up Google Analytic 4 with your website, what are the most important settings which needs to be turned on while you're setting up your Google Analytic account. So I'm going to share my screen where I will walk you step-by-step process, how you can set up your Google Analytic 4 account and make a linking with your website. Let's dive in. Google Analytic or Google Analytic 4 is very important for your marketing channel. Either you're running a paid ad or you're not running a paid ad. Setting up your Google Analytic 4 with your website is one of the most important tasks you can do. With the help of Analytic, you can see so many information related to your website and related to your customers, such as what demographic they are, what age range they are, how many male, how many females, what pages they are going, and so many other things. Especially if you're going to run a PPC campaign, Google Analytics tool is a must to have. So what we're gonna do up here is we're gonna set up a Google Analytics tool and a few of the core setting which you need to enable inside the Google Analytics. So either you can come up in a Google Analytic page and then you can sign in up here, and then it will take you to the step-by-step process which you can set up your Google Analytics account. Or the one of the my favorite thing, if you're using a WordPress, what you can do here is, let's say you download this plugin which is called G-Site Kit. All you have to do is come up in a plugin, add new plugin, and then put the name Google Site Kit. So this is the plugin from Google which help you to connect its services such as Analytics, Search Console, Google Ad, or the page speed or page insight tool. Okay, as you can see that I have already installed. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna come up here, click on G-Site Kit, and then as you can see that this is the G-Site Kit, and I'm gonna come up in a setting, and inside the setting these are the few of the service which we already connected, and I'm gonna go and connect more services. As you can see that you can connect your Google Ad as well. This is the new thing, and you can connect your AdSense, and in this case we are going to set up a analytic. So set up a analytic, come up here, and then we're gonna press a create an account. Okay, you can do this account creation process from this page as well, which is up here, but we are doing it from here. So I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna accept, and then I'm gonna accept and accept Google product services. That's totally up to you, modeling and all this one. If you want to, you can opt in. If you don't want it, just click no. Okay, and then at the end I accept and go to my dashboard here. So this one is now your account has been created, your Google Analytics account, and then it's connected with your website. So you don't have to put any sort of code or any sort of piece of snippet in the header or in the footer of the site. It's automatically been installed on your website. So now you can track all the traffic, all the important metrics with the help of the Google Analytics. So now you can see that we have connected the Google Analytics account. So what we need to do here is we need to do some changes, which is up here. Come up in a setting, and you can see that Google Analytics account or GA4 is connected. So we're gonna come up here and edit in Analytics. So this is your account number, Google Analytics 4 account. This is your property ID. This is your measurement ID. And we're gonna do some changes up here in Analytics. Let's do that one. Okay, so you can name this one according to your website. So this is a dummy website, so your fast code, and then you're gonna click for the data sharing setting here, technical support or recommending for your business. That's totally up to you if you want to opt in for this one, but if you don't, then that's still okay. And we're gonna click save. save. And then inside here, if you go on the home page, you can see that, okay, so there is a no data is received because the site is fairly new. But here are the core setting which we need to do is go in the admin and then go in the data streams. As you can see that we are tracking the web. So if you have connected through the site kit, it automatically fetch the data from your site and put it up in the GA4. And we're gonna click on this one, and then we need to make sure that all the important settings are on. Okay, so over here it's showing us error, data collection is active for your website, but it needs 48 hours. As we just install this one, so that's the why it's giving us this warning. So come up here, we need to see this setting. So make sure all of these settings are on. For example, your page view, your scroll, your outbound click, site search, form interaction, video engagement, and file download. Okay, if anything is off, you can turn it on by yourself. So as you can see that everything looks okay in here, and we're gonna cross it out. So the very important setting, which is linking your Google Ad account with your Google Ad. Then if you can see up here, you can see the product links. So we're gonna click on Google Ad link and then connect link. And if you have signed up with your same Gmail ID, it can automatically fetch your Google Ad account. Okay, so what we're gonna do up here is choose your ad account. See this is the account which we have created, the Google Ad account, and then we're gonna confirm and then next. So the very important setting is enable auto tagging. Okay, so we're gonna click on enable auto tagging on selected Google Ad account, and then next, and then enable personalized advertising on. Everything sounds good. Allow access to analytic feature within Google Ad. Okay, and then submit. And as you can see that link is created, so that way you have connected your Google Ad account with your Google Analytic account. So the another important link which you can do up here is your merchant center. So for example, if you are selling a product on Google, you have to have your merchant store. So what you can do is, if you're selling stuff on Google online or through shopping ad, you can connect your merchant center from here. Same thing applies here. If you have a same email ID with your merchant center, it can automatically fetch that one. Okay, up here is your search console. So if you have search console, Google search console, so we're gonna connect that one too. Let's go link and choose account. Simple set. So here you can see that it has automatically fetched the website. Okay, so we're gonna do one click and then confirm and then next, and we're gonna select the web stream which is already connected with this. Select and then next and submit. So this one has been connected as well. So this is the most important setting or most important linking which need to be done on the when you're setting up your Google Analytic 4 account. So that way the data can flow in and out, and then you can get the information data from Google Analytic. Okay, so that's it while you're setting up. So this the interface gonna look like when the data will start flowing inside here, and then you can see your acquisition, like how the customer is coming up, what sort of engagement is happening with what's the pages they are going, what are the landing page they are visiting. And if you are running a Google ad, or if you are monetizing through like e-commerce product, you can see that their purchase journey, the e-commerce purchase they have done, and over here underneath the user attribution, like their demographic detail, what sort of audience they have, and also the text, like what sort of, are they coming from Safari, are they coming from Chrome, or all the other tech details as well. Okay, so that's all the information will be available to you once you have the data coming through to your site. So that's pretty much it from Google Analytic 4 setup. So hopefully this video has provided you how to set up your Google Analytic in a simple and straightforward way, rather than putting a snippet code on your website or through Tag Manager. So if you have any question related to Google Analytic account setup, please leave your comment below, and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.